Hey guys, so I got a new toy. This is a 1970 Moto Ski Grand Prix. This sled actually has a 340 Sachs single cylinder engine. This is kind of a special sled to me. I just bought it, and the reason is because this is the first sled I had as a kid. My father had a couple of these. He had the 70 Grand Prix, and he also had a 69 Moto Ski MS-18. Okay, here's a picture of me circa 1981. This is the Moto Ski Grand Prix that my father had. This one here was actually a 634cc Hearth engine. And again, this was the first snowmobile I ever rode, learned to ride on. So let's check it out. It's that famous, this is the first year of the Grand Prix. As you can see right here, it says 340 on it. Here's where the gas tank is. Old metal skis, that's how they used to do it back in the day. This actually has a Mikuni carb on it. Like I said, there's the Grand Prix. So this is definitely a lot different than a modern snowmobile. It's got bogey wheels on it, doesn't have sliders, not much suspension at all. There's basically leaf springs in the front end on the skis, and then there's a little bit of a spring action on the bogey wheels, but really not much. Just took it around the yard a little bit, and I'm going to start it up in a second, and hopefully we'll take some video of that. See ya.
Uh-oh.
This wire keeps falling off. That's what's going on here. So
Oh, okay.
I just got to basically drive it back and put it away.